Hi YouTube, this is Sonnie from Sonnie Styles coming to you again with another unboxing of the Hairstylist Club box. I'm a little late. This is my July box. So here, when you receive the box, you get a card letting you know what's inside. I have a pink silicone Hairstylist wine tumbler, scissor fabric headband, rhinestone scissor hairpin, eco wraps, and a hairdresser. Oh, hairdressers bring color to the world t-shirt. Cool. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so this is the pink silicone wine tumbler. Sorry. So that's cool. Can you see it? That's cute. All right. And oh, this is so adorable. That's really adorable. I love that. Yes. That's the rhinestone pen. It's a hairpin. Nice. All right. Oh, this is so cute. It's a hairband. When I'm having a bad hair day, I can put my hairband on. All right, and here's the eco wraps. Cool, 200 of them. Nice. All right. I got to take that to the shop because I'm definitely going to use it. And the last item I have in for July is a t-shirt. So cool. It actually matches. Oh no, it doesn't. I thought it matched. Hairstylists bring color to the world. Guess who's wearing that tomorrow? I like that. That's cute. All right. So if you're interested, hairstylist, get out. Sorry, my cat just jumped in the box. Move! Get out the box. If you're interested, go to hairstylistclubbox.com and sign up. It's $39.99 a month, and they send you fun stuff and a lot of stuff that you can really use. So cool. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video for August. I did get my August box. I'm just running late, so I'll do the August box in probably soon. Stay tuned. Happy styling.